Today, the day before the day, Ramna Park is almost free. No such a gathering of people. All people are busy with collecting their cattle for sacrifice, and some are rushing to their native home. So those who have come in the Ramna Park area has the scope, the chance to enjoy the nature, enjoy the beauty of the nature. See the flowers, how nice the flowers are. You see the beauty of the nature. So to come